That is one of the greatest catches of all time.
तो दोस्तों आज मैं आपके लिए क्रिकेट की सबसे बेहतरीन कैच वाली वीडियो लेके आया हूं, जिसे देखने के बाद आपकी आंखें खुली की खुली रह जाएंगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Again on the sweep. Is it going to go over his head? Oh, no way. No way. You cannot do that, Ben Stokes. That is remarkable. That is one of the greatest catches of all time. You cannot do that.
Stokes out at long off. Thought it had gone wide of him for a moment. He made good ground and took an exceptional catch.
Oh, he's got it. He has got it. That is a wonderful catch. Not on the middle, this time off the edge.
I'll tell you what, that man Pickler Choir, he has a neck. Oh, and the cock, what a catch.
Wonderful catch from the cock.
That is brilliant. That is outstanding from Sheldon Cottrell.
What an absolute ripper that is. Steve Smith cannot believe it. He thought it was 6 for all money.
Brilliant catch from Imran Tahir. Unbelievable. He's off on his run, and so he should be. That was sensational.
He surprised himself. What an effort from Imran Tahir. What a catch.
Ned, what a catch. What a catch. The skipper, he knows how important that is. It's a breakthrough of this partnership that has been so crucial to New Zealand. Shane Afridi strikes again.
Kept his eyes on the ball till the last second.
Has he got it? He's got it. He has got a blinder. Is it Guptill? They either stick or they don't. He's dropped 2, and what about this one?
Well, you can have the other 2 as well. This one's even more important. Steve Smith. Oh, that is so good. Brilliant captaincy, brilliant bowling. Outstanding catch, Martin Guptill. Take a bow.
What a catch. What an absolute beauty from Steve Smith. Talk about a natural reaction. Athletic fieldsman, sees it, reacts, gets hold of an absolute screamer.
We've seen some catches today.
वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट में जरूर बताना। क्रिकेट देखना पसंद है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर जरूर करना।